Hello everyone, welcome to this video, part 21 of Basil is a cat or Basil is Kata, Dal An and 20. Alright, now in this video as we bring together everything, this is the final step before we move beyond guided practice and begin reading more authentic Old English prose. Nothing new is introduced here, instead we revisit patterns, the patterns you already know. Present, past tense, cause and sequence, word order, noun cases and pronouns, and see how naturally they work together in connected passages. If the sentences feel steady and understandable, that is the point. From here, we begin the next stage, guided reading of real text. So let's make a start here. All right, and of course I shall hide that so as not to distract you. All right, there we go. So, Nu mech tu raden. Now you can read. This is the final block before we move beyond guided reading. So nothing new is introduced here. We simply understand and bring everything together. All right. Next page. Here we go. Past and present together. So, Nu sitter Basil on flore, ak yesterandich he sat lange. Okay, so now Basil sits on the floor, but yesterday, yesterandich, he sat lange. So he sat for a long time yesterday. All right, cause and effect. Basil arn harade for tham the he was belida. Va eade he to tham yerde and lokade at tham deorum. On jerde arn Basil harade, va sleep he stiller. Okay, so in the yard ran Basil quickly, or Basil ran quickly in modern English. Then slept he quietly. Okay. The tha, if you remember from a previous video, triggers that inversion of the subject and the verb. Fa and a couple of other words as well can trigger that inversion where the instead of the subject we get the verb, because remember how Old English is verb second, just like modern English, verb second. Well, some words, adverbs like fa, trigger that inversion. Fa, sleep, he, stiller. Okay, whereas normally you expect he, sleep, stiller, subject, verb, and then the rest. All right. That with Yesech, Basil, he lokade at hiare, and here waren belida. So the woman saw Basil, he looked at her, and they were happy. Yesterdag was Basil on huset, and he reste lange. Daar eerde he tot hem jerde, ak daar was regen. Daar he eerde eft on huis and slept stiller. So yesterday Basil was in the house and he rested for a long time. Then he went to the yard, but there was rain, and then he went again into the house and slept quietly. Sorry. Okay. Yesterdag was Basil on huset, and he reste lange. Daar eerde he tot hem jerde, ak daar was regen. Daar he eerde eft on huis and sleep stiller. Just with regen here, you could also have a rain. You can have a long en. All right, that also means rain. I chose regen. Now, this is for you. I'll give you a little bit of a chance to translate this, but Basil sitter here, he rest, and slapeth. He is suither believer. Now, if you want, you can pause the video and just think what your answer might be. All right, you translate this now. All right, and then we'll go to the next slide. So you might want to pause the video for a little bit, have a think about it, and translate it yourself. Okay. Hopefully that is long enough and I'll move on. All right, the answer. Basil sitter here, heel rest and slapeth. He is sawitha belida. Basil sits here, he rests and sleeps. He is very happy. All right. Hope you all got that. All right, in closing now. Nu mecht thu raden. Thu ne leornere ana ac radere. Okay, now you can read. Nu mecht thu raden. You are no longer a learner. Thu leornere ana. But you are a reader. The you doesn't need to be, in Old English, the subject doesn't need to be repeated. It refers back to the original, back to the earlier nominative subject of the sentences. So you could put ak thu, but it's unnecessary, and Old English doesn't tend to do that. It's understood who the subject is. Ak radere, but are a reader, or but you are a reader. Okay, next bit. Thank they for them there ye thas rawa ye. Thank you for watching this series. Ichem for lokende to yeseone eo ela on thara stan. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you will, push the like button and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and it helps promote the channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care of yourselves wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you all in the next video. Okay, bye for now.